It has been 2 years since NASA's James Webb Telescope gave us a stunning first look at the depths of our universe. The world first started seeing spectacular images of the cosmos that were captured by the powerful James Webb Telescope. It has been 2 years since NASA's James Webb Telescope gave us a stunning first look at the depths of our universe. The world first started seeing spectacular images of the cosmos captured by the powerful James Webb Telescope 3 years ago. NASA's James Webb Telescope provided a breathtaking look into the very deepest parts of the universe. There have always been mysteries in the world, but what the James Webb Space Telescope just found is beyond our wildest dreams. The new pictures sent back from the farthest reaches of space are both beautiful and very scary. Get ready to go on an adventure into the unknown as we show you the scary new pictures that the James Webb Telescope has taken. What mysteries of the universe have we found? What does this mean for how we think about the universe? Let's look into these new finds that have never been seen before and explore the strange things happening in space that are shocking and frightening. Scientists and researchers have been excited about the James Webb Telescope ever since it was first put into service. Even though it's only been in use for 3 years, it has already seen many things in our very large universe and discovered new phenomena. Since it reached its distant star, the infrared telescope has given scientists and astronomers stunning views of the universe. Researchers were very excited to see the first scientific pictures taken by the telescope, which is the biggest and most powerful space telescope ever built. The scientific community is shocked and quiet about its most current picture, though. This amazing find was made by the JWST when it pointed its instruments at the famous pillars of creation, which are about 7,000 light-years away in the constellation Serpens. Since then, experts have been amazed by what it has found in this mysterious place. The Eagle Nebula, made up of the pillars of creation, was first imaged by the Hubble Space Telescope in 1995, but the new picture from the James Webb Telescope showed even more astonishing details, revealing stars that weren't visible in the Hubble picture, some of which formed only a few 100,000 years ago. Despite their amazement at these discoveries, scientists couldn't help but wonder, what if these structures were built by intelligent beings from other planets? Could they be alien landmarks? The thought of such a revelation gave them chills. But the JWST wasn't going to rest on its laurels just yet. It sent back another stunning picture by looking at Pandora's cluster, an area of space with an interesting past. Named after the Greek goddess Pandora, who is known for being very curious, it is thought that she opened a box that released all the bad things into the world. However, Webb's study of Pandora's cluster did not let any bad things happen. Instead, it focused on a particular area of space, using a theory that Albert Einstein proposed in 1915. This produced an amazing picture that shocked scientists. The new picture of Pandora's cluster, which was previously called Able 2744, showed features in the area that had not been seen before. The Hubble Space Telescope had only looked at the center of this space, but the James Webb Telescope's infrared instruments revealed a wealth of hidden information that still needs to be deciphered. The scientists who worked on the JWST quickly understood that they were on a very special mission. As part of the ultra-deep IR-CAM observations for the Epoch of Reionization program, they used Webb's Large Telescope, Near-Infrared Spectrograph, and Near-Infrared Camera to make a set of careful observations that provided them with a comprehensive picture of Pandora's cluster. The team used the JWST to take 4 pictures of the area and then meticulously stitch them together to create a stunning panoramic view. This amazing picture showcased an astounding 50,000 sources emitting infrared light, depicting what Pandora's cluster, located about 3.5 billion light-years away, is truly like. This panorama view offered a wide and deep perspective that could fundamentally change how we think about the evolution of galaxies. A bright star from our own Milky Way galaxy was visible in the center of this beautiful image, showing unique diffraction spikes, a striking visual created by the James Webb Telescope. Clusters of bright, white light shimmered in this captivating scene, surrounded by an ethereal haze. These were the galaxies of Pandora's cluster, situated much farther away than the star at its center. Our highly advanced technology played a crucial role in capturing this breathtaking view of the night sky. But astronomers also utilized a natural phenomenon described by Albert Einstein in his groundbreaking work on general relativity in 1915. This theory of gravity was instrumental in unraveling the complexities of the observed cluster of clusters. Yet this was just the beginning. In addition to the remarkable discoveries, the James Webb Telescope identified something else that almost defies scientific explanation. It captured another intriguing image that clearly displayed a set of strange concentric rings surrounding a distant star. Scientists worldwide have been puzzled ever since this picture arrived on Earth. A citizen scientist named Judy Schmidt shared this mysterious image on Twitter, which quickly ignited a wave of comments and confusion within the online community. The star in question, WR140, was surrounded by regular circles that appeared like ripples gradually fading into the infinite darkness. However, what captured the most attention was the fact that the circles weren't perfectly round. Instead, they resembled squares, leading to speculations about possible alien origins. Alongside Schmidt, scientists and observers from across the globe soon found themselves pondering the bizarre shape and pattern of the rings. Another space expert, Mark McCaffrian, dubbed the feature crazy on Twitter. McCaffrian is a generalist scientist in the JWST Science Working Group and serves as a science advisor to the European Space Agency. However, further research revealed that the six-pointed blue structure was merely an artifact caused by the bright star WR140's diffraction. Scientists were astonished by the shells that looked like red curved and boxy shapes. Young stars typically shine brightly and are a vivid blue color. As they age, they cool down and become redder. The JWST observed fiery dots in the deep fields that were 50 times denser than the galaxies previously known. Surprisingly, these galaxies were believed to be as large as the Milky Way when the universe was only 3% as old as it is today. One of the astronomers examining these results, Leia, expressed her astonishment at what she discovered, noting that the rapid formation of these massive galaxies following the Big Bang raised questions about current understandings of the universe. However, astronomers needed to confirm that the red dots they observed were indeed galaxies before they could fundamentally alter their theories about them. Leia contemplated other possible explanations, suggesting that stars in the early universe might have emitted light in unusual ways due to a lack of heavy elements. Incorporating these possibilities into their models could completely change our understanding of how stars formed in the early universe. Astronomers are highly enthusiastic about these prospects because they could provide new insights into stellar formation processes for cosmic evolution. During the early release science program, Webb's near-infrared camera was used to capture the images. Soon, astronomers plan to refocus the telescope's mirror on these galaxies once more. This time, they will do so to obtain light spectra. NASA scientists believe that these spectra will help them determine the chemical and physical composition of the light sources and will also be crucial for establishing the exact distances to objects in space, revealing a wealth of information about these celestial bodies. Even more intriguing is that scientists had to revise their theories about how the universe began just over 6 months after the first observations from the Webb telescope were made public. It turned out that the JWST was on the verge of another astonishing discovery. Upon closer examination, scientists observed what appeared to be a spinning wormhole inside a stunning image of the Phantom Galaxy, also known as NGC 628 or Messier 74. This new image showcased the galaxy's enigmatic glow. This spiral galaxy is famous for its perfect symmetry, and the magnified image highlighted the intricate details of the galaxy's dust lanes. However, what truly captivates scientists is a hypothesis that there is an intermediate mass black hole at the center of this cosmic marvel. Many professional photographers have captured images of this galaxy before, including those taken by the Hubble Space Telescope and the Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer, but Webb's images stand out due to their focus on the mid-infrared range, revealing the cosmic dust within the galaxy. NASA astronomers assert that Webb's unmatched power, combined with its unique 18-segment hexagonal mirror and advantageous location in deep space, is what allows it to capture such detailed images. As scientists continued to decipher the mysteries of the Phantom Galaxy, the James Webb Space Telescope discovered something even stranger. During its initial observation rounds, Webb detected enormous distant galaxies that defied expectations. Nearly as large as our own Milky Way, these galaxies were filled with mature red stars scattered across the universe, appearing as tiny reddish dots. Astronomers initially believed they were witnessing the universe in its early stages, just 500 to 700 million years after the Big Bang. By closely examining the light emitted by these galaxies, the existence of these early galaxies should not come as a surprise, as astronomers had anticipated that the first clusters of stars would form shortly after the universe emerged from its dark ages, a period when hydrogen atoms were extremely dense. However, the galaxies captured in Webb's images have sparked immense excitement among scientists due to their unexpected size and age. These findings challenge established notions about the early universe's appearance and its evolution over time, directly contradicting what the Hubble Space Telescope had previously observed. Julia, a respected astronomy and astrophysics professor at Penn State, noted that the research team had expected to discover young, small galaxies in the early universe based on prior findings from Hubble and other instruments. These baby galaxies were thought to be newly formed entities, emerging from primordial cosmic soup, striving to establish their first stars and structures. The unexpected discovery of larger and older galaxies challenges existing knowledge and opens up exciting new avenues for study. The captivating images taken by the James Webb Telescope have raised profound questions about the formation and evolution of galaxies in the universe. Scientists believe that these findings could provide valuable insight into the intricate processes that have shaped the cosmos over billions of years. As researchers analyze the data collected by the JWST, they anticipate uncovering further secrets that have eluded humanity's understanding for centuries. Indeed, the revelations brought forth by the James Webb Telescope have not only deepened our appreciation for the beauty of the universe, but have also led us to rethink the fundamental tenets of astronomy and our place within this vast, awe-inspiring cosmos.